Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube in an art therapy day. Definitely good for the soul, even if you don't consider yourself an artist. Please give this a go. It is so beneficial to your well-being. It's just very relaxing, can be frustrating, but it's very good for you. I absolutely believe in art therapy. So today is on quite a big canvas. I think it's an 80 by 60. It's quite a big, nice gallery wrap canvas. This will be going in my new studio. So what I'm doing to begin with is I'm just coating it in a very nice pale powder grey colour, ready for some complete abandonment in a chaos blowout, plus embellishments, which I just going to town on. It's my art therapy day and I really hope you'll join me too. So let's be watching the shenanigans. So here we are layering my colours, which I've got turquoise, deep sea, I've got a pale peppermint green, I've got gold, and then I've got, this is kind of like, it's a custom made colour that I make with gold, adding a little bit of burnt umber and a tiny little bit of black. So you can make it as dark or light as you like, but it's a really nice colour once it's blown out. So I actually really want this canvas to be a complete freestyle piece of me from my heart, H-E-A-R-T, from my heart on canvas. So I'm really looking forward to just playing out on this canvas and giving it all the things that I love to do on it. So hope you enjoy this too. Now I am going to let the crazy balloon lady free, absolutely free. Abandonment to absolutely roll, kiss, squidge, squodge, whatever you choose to add some depth and just features and effects on this canvas. And I am absolutely loving what I'm doing here today. This is my art therapy, so this is what gives me joy. You might find doing your art with such crazy abandonment not the thing. You're more controlled, but this is what absolutely makes me tick, when I can just go for it like this, without a thought, just happy in what I'm doing in my art room. So I'm absolutely loving this piece to bits, and I hope you do too. But if there's not everything that you like in it, then of course I'm just giving you ideas, and you can take or leave whatever you choose to do in your own work. But it's my absolute happy place.
You're like a ghost in my mind, I can't escape you. I need to believe it was right, letting you go.
So at the moment I've just taken my balloon. It's just an ordinary size balloon filled with a little bit of water, a little bit of weight behind it, and I'm just finishing off the edges of my canvas with this little balloon. And it gives a nice, if you balloon kiss the certain sides of your canvas, it looks really lovely on the side of the canvas. So basically that's what I'm doing at the moment, is just going for it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Look on for the dry photos, and as soon as it's hanging in my new studio, you will be the first to see, which will hopefully be very, very soon. So thank you so much, you lovelies. And if anybody is feeling sad, lonely, upset, or in need of a chat, please ring a family member or a friend or a helpline. Always someone there to help you. So don't forget, you're no good to anybody if you can't cope yourself. Take care, my lovelies. Until tomorrow. Bye for now.
I wanna escape you. I really think I made a big mistake. I want you to know I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go, Don't tell me it's over now. Don't tell me it's over.